So welcome back guys. Today we are going to make the form using HTML. So now let's get started. I have created a new file called form.html. Now here I am changing the title. The default title is document and now I am changing it to form fill up. Now I have chosen heading number 2 as 2 and please fill up the form. Now let's see what kind of result will show in our live server. Here is the result. Let me split the screen. Yes, it is nice now. Now in this video we are going to do everything that is needed in making forms, so keep watching till end. Now I have created a div. It is mostly used in CSS for styling, but I have used it here and you can ignore it also. Now form name, here input, this is the mode alias. In input we enter the text, we enter the characters, so I have written text. Here name, this section is mostly used in backend, so you can ignore it, but I have included it here. And here in placeholder I have written enter your name, and see here when I clear everything, then inside that box it is showing enter your name, so it is more practical, so I have used the placeholder here. And after name, now line break, now date of birth, here use same thing, input type, but date of the birth is not written in text, it is written in date, so I have written date. Here you can see month, day, year, and here it is not necessary to include the placeholder, and I have included one more line break because it is congested, but it is not good practice, although I have written it. Now email, input type, inside the type here is email, so I have included it email. Now name, email, placeholder, example abc123@gmail.com. Now line break, now password, input type will be password. Here you can find the password, so I have included it. Now name, password, in placeholder enter your email password. I have changed it to enter your password. Now line break, now I have used here comment. Now we will use list, it is the main component, another main component of form. Now this is form, this form is available for countries like. You can write everything, but I'm just creating a model so that you can understand it. Here I have used a list tag. Now I have used ordered list. Inside it I have written USA, Canada. Now next country will be China. Now inside USA I will make a unordered list. Now its one state is New York. Yes, this is correct. Now next state is Washington DC. I think this is more here. Yes, it is correct now. Now I am again using comment because it is useful for the documentation and manualing of the program. Here I use radio button. Radio button are those button, yes, which we can choose only one, not two. Yes, here gender. This is also same. We have to use input. Now in type we have to select radio. Now name will be gender. Now male. One is male and another is female. Yes, a person cannot possess both gender. So one is male and another is female. So they have to choose one only. They are not allowed to choose both. Here radio, name, gender. Now female. FEMALE, female. Yes, this is right. Let me check. Yes, this is correct. Now next let's use checkboxes. They are exactly opposite to radio button. Here in checkbox we can click two or more. Yes, in input type we have to write checkbox. Now name, hobbies. One is, let's say, cricket. One is cricket. As this is IPL season, so I have included cricket here. Yes, this look more good. I think you are just feeling bored. And now, if you are suffering from background noise, just ignore it. Yes. Now, next hobby will be watching movie. So I write movie here. And now third one will be traveling. Yes, this seems. Now enter your country name. Now I will use the drop down option. I will teach you, I will show you how to use it. So let me make the comment. Drop down options. Now for this we have to use select tag, and inside it for the options we have to use option tag. Now one country will be India, let's say, and next one will be USA. Let's do copy and paste. Yes. Third one will be China. Now fourth one will be, let's say, Russia, and let's include Pakistan also. Yes, I have included Pakistan, so don't be offended. Pakistan, here you can see this is drop down. Now it's time for submit. So let me make this submit button also. Input type. Inside type I have to write submit. Let's break the line. Line break. Yes, this is our final form. Isn't it looking good? Now let's fill up. Now I have taken the example of Virat Kohli in name, date of birth this, email virat123@gmail.com. We have to include @gmail.com. Now password virat123. I can see it, virat123. Now in gender I have to choose only one, male. Hobbies I can choose all, one or more, and country India. In this way I can submit it. This is the final result of form. In this way we can make the form, and in next video we will do CSS and style that form. So keep watching.